guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a beautiful Friday afternoon. And that means we get to figure out how this car is going to do at the track. Just got out of work. We are going to be swapping over to the drag pack and then heading out to the track. We got to stop and get some E85. Just to recap the changes that we've made since we've been to the track the last time is we have actually added the Rotofab dry filter intake system. So we've got the new Rotofab cold air intake, and we adjusted the tune, tweaked it a little bit to help us get just a little bit more power off the line when we have those high intake temperatures. So I'm really excited, guys. Alright, we are done changing the tires, and it actually did not take me as long as I thought it was going to take. I guess practice makes perfect, but it is hot here, so you definitely have to stay hydrated. Oh god, yeah. So the car is back on its welds, and I know a lot of you guys really loved this. I posted this picture up on Facebook, and don't mind the big gaps. The car's suspension has like lifted it up. I haven't moved it, so that isn't, even though it is stock and there is a gap, this isn't the way that the car looks. And by the way, for those that watch my tire rack video, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to fit my stock street tires on this rack, and they barely fit, guys, but they fit. All right, before we head out, guys, let's go ahead and give you guys a startup in sport mode of the 2019 Camaro. That gets me every time, so let's get to it. Hopefully the E85 gas station has some good E85 and we'll be running at full strength today. Oh man, I love this car. Shifts so damn well, and the exhaust pops after are insane. All right, we got our 8 gallons, $17. Let's go ahead and get this out, and let's go check now what our alcohol content is. All right, guys, so we're on our way to the track, and a half a tank, about 8 gallons, got me E77. So E77 is almost about 78. Is not bad at all. Alright, so we made it to the track. Got a bunch of 5.0s. Everyone's starting to line up. I need to get the car set up, put the laptop, hook up the HP tuner so we can data log. Alright guys, so we're finally racing. I've got my data logger running, got the AC off, and we're ready to see what this thing will do. And we'll see. Hopefully this angle is going to be good. I did come by myself today, so we don't have an outside angle, so all the views for the track will be from inside the car, and hopefully that's good enough. So let's turn the traction control off completely. Stability track completely off as well. There we go. We got it in sport. So we're gonna try this in sport and we'll see what it does. I am excited. All right, so the key here is we want to get a good burnout so the car launches. Okay, well, I don't know what it is about first gear, guys. For some reason, it's still hanging up. And I don't think, I don't know if it's too much torque or what it is, but it is hanging up and not working well. Let's see what the times were. We ran in 11.9 at 117.8 or about 118, so same time as last time, but my 60 foot was a lot worse. I've actually been able to do a 1.6, 1.7 60 foot, so there's definitely improvement there. So let's go back and try it again. All right, getting ready for run number 2, and there is nobody here, so that's nice. Let's see how we do. Let's try to get this. I'm gonna go off of idle this time and see how that works. Just a little bit off of idle. That felt a little better off the launch. I'm hoping that my 60 foot was better. Alright guys, so here's the other time slip, the second one. A 1.75. Did the pretty much exact same mile per hour to the 8th, 93.1. It was 93.1 before. And pretty much identical. It was a slightly bit lower mile per hour. I think it was the first time. Do people just not put this cover on, or is this a newer generation?
That's a newer
Whipple. One. Okay, I was like, I haven't seen many of the Whipples that have that cover.
Because on the 2018 they have direct injection, so the direct injection rails run on the inside.
Gotcha.
So they have to take the heat exchange. So it used to be the heat exchanger was there, and they put the blower on top. Now the rotors are on the bottom and the heat exchanger.
So the whole new design then?
Yeah, it's a whole new design. 2018 was the first year they did it. They call it the upside down version.
That's awesome. I definitely want to see what that car runs. It should be running really well. 12 pound boost, Whipple, V85. I think it'll look really well. Alright guys, we've got a blue 5.0 and we've got this black 6th gen. So let's see what they run. Well, it looks like the black 6th gen decided not to do a burnout, so I don't know if probably stock. This blue car's got some really cool interior bits. Let's see how it does. You got a Hellcat. See how that Hellcat runs. That Hellcat Charger ran 11.3 at 121. Really good. Let's see what this ZL1 is gonna run. Looking good. Alright guys, so that ZL1 probably stock ran 11.7 at 119, so the SS is running at 11.9 at 118, which is only 1 mile away from running what a ZL1 runs. This one has, that's the one with the Whipple, the 4A fuel system, E85 and everything. So should run low 10s, maybe even 9s if the weather helps. Took off pretty good. (10.3) at 138 miles an hour and 10.3. Those Whipples are really nice. They're the new ones that were 5.0s. They look like they were working really good. Alright guys, so let's see how our DA is going so far. So we're at 28, so it's going down, and hopefully the temperature goes down. If this can go down to about 2,500, we'll be good to go. Alright guys, as you guys can see, It's getting kind of cooler now. The sun's going down, so let's go get our third run in and see how this car does. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna do another run. The sun's going down. It's a lot better. I'm gonna try to leave off at about 1,000 RPM and then see where this will take us. Leaving off of idle seemed to work better, so let's see what this does. We're gonna leave it in drive again. I'm not gonna try shifting it on my own, and we'll see where it takes us. ITs are about 104, which is really good. So I think this run is gonna be better, guys. Fingers crossed. Hopefully this run gets us our 119, maybe close to 120 mile an hour. So I'll put it in manual so that it doesn't shift and I can get a good burnout going. That seemed to help last time. So let's go ahead and put this, leave it in first so we can get a good burnout going. Definitely a good burnout there. Let's see what we can do, guys. Feeling a lot better. That felt a lot better. That felt much better, much better. Woo! Okay. Getting better, guys. 11.8. Same 60 foot, a 1.745, basically 7.5. But 11.8, a better quarter mile time. And our miles per hour went up slightly, but it's still basically at 118. I don't know if you guys can see that, but an 11.8 at 118. All right, guys, so it is actually about 9 o'clock now, and the sun's gone down, the weather's gone down a little bit, the temperatures are down, so let's see what this will do. 11.8 is the best. Let's see if we can do better. All right, guys, so the line was very long, and we're barely, it's about almost 10 now, and we're barely gonna get our final, this will definitely be my final run. Just no way to kind of go back around, but our intake temps are again back at about 104. That's where we want to keep them low, and let's see how that works. Leaving off of 1,000. Well, that was my fault, guys. I forgot to take it off of manual and just ran that in straight manual. Yeah, I just fucked up, man. Can't believe I did that, guys. So I was wondering why the car was shifting so late, and turns out I left it in manual for the run, for the burnout, and didn't put it back in drive. Wow. Guys, there you have it, this last run. 60 footed 175, which is good, but only did a 12.19, or basically a 12.2 at 114. And that is because your boy here left it in manual. So the car was redlining and shifting up on its own. What an idiot. I put it into manual so that I could do a good burnout, and then I forgot to switch it over to sport. So I'm gonna do one more run, and hopefully I don't forget, and we can see what the best time it'll do. If we do better, great. If not, we still improved this time, so it's okay. So definitely stupid move, and I didn't realize it till after the run, and that's what you get. Your time is a lot slower. All right, guys, so we are leaving the track. I wanted to get one more run in after I failed miserably with that red line and leaving the car in manual, but the track was just too packed. There's a lot of people there, so I decided it was about time to just go home. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got a lot of footage, and I hope you guys enjoyed the cars that were running. Got to meet some of my subscribers, which was really awesome. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the car. I mean, it ran in 11.8, so it did go faster. So about a tenth faster. The mile per hour stayed similar, but there was a big headwind, so that can also affect your miles per hour. I mean, that's the one thing about the track, guys. I mean, you can't compare different days. It's very difficult to compare different days because of different weather conditions. We had a big strong headwind this time, which could have been why my mile an hour was a little slower. But other than that, the car did well, and the intake did what it was supposed to do, which was get cold, clean air into my car. And it showed with the time. It got a better time, and I'm looking forward to the times that it runs with some more mods, especially once we do something like the ported throttle body and the ported manifold intake. That's gonna be a big difference, and of course get some better weather. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, because we come out here quite often. And also, if you want to grab yourself a shirt, you guys are looking for a shirt, make sure you check the link down below in the description for the merch. I've got the Shield logo tees in stock. They're black or white, so you guys can pick whichever ones you guys like. Got some phone cases, so you can be repping that, Jorge's vlog swag. But just like that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.